Hey, what's up YouTube beauties? It's Tara Marie here. Welcome back to my channel, or if it's your first time here, welcome. Today I'm going to be doing the May 2019 unboxing for the BOXYCHARM box for this month. And for this theme, the theme is Make Waves. So I have 5 products in here that I'm going to show you, and where applicable, I'll like give you a little some on what it's got going on. So I'm not going to waste any time. I'm just going to go ahead and jump right on in these products. Before I do, hit the subscribe button, join the Terra Squad. Yes, okay, now let's get started. So for the first product, this is the one that I'm most excited about. So they put in here the Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser. And can I just say, like, this packaging is just everything. Like, I feel like, I don't know, I'm one of those people that have bought stuff just because it has nice packaging. Oh my gosh, and the tube has the same packaging, and this is huge. Like, I paid $20 for, this is huge. This is so much product, and I've never used this before. This retails for $28, so 30 bucks for a gentle cleanser. I couldn't twist it off, I want to smell it. And it doesn't have a scent, which is good for me because I have sensitive skin, so I'm really happy that this does not have a scent. I'm really excited to try it out. I'll let you know how it is. And then next in here, I have a Steve Laurent lip gloss, I believe. And this retails at $22. And this is the packaging here, nice and metallic and pink. And I have it in the color Posh, and I'm hoping that this is good. Okay, so off just looking at it, this is like the color that's coming in. Like, just looking at it in the tube, I feel like this could be like a really good shade for me. I'm just gonna swatch it on the back of my hand, just like a little dabble. So this is what the color looks like on the back of my hand. I feel like this could be like a good, I don't know. I'm not gonna swatch it right now just because I have on the red. Oh wow, and this pump is like, you see how much that bounce back? Okay, anyway, I'm gonna sit here and like play with it for hours. So that is the next product in the box. And next I have a eye luster. It's from Siat, I think that's how you pronounce it. That is the brand right there. And it is the Eye Lust Cream Eyeshadow. And this is the packaging. And I'm gonna go ahead and take this out. And this retails also for $22. Oh, okay, so this is, it's super shimmery, very pink. Wow, this is like, oh my gosh, look. And I feel like the camera isn't, look at that shimmer. Oh my goodness. Doesn't have a scent, which is good. It's going on your eyes. I feel like nobody's smelling your face, so you don't really need that. But wow, like, this is so metallic. I'm just like thinking of all the looks that I can do with this. I think I'm gonna use this in my next tutorial, actually. I'm actually really excited about this. Okay, and then next in here I have a Becca Cosmetics primer, and this retails for $18. And the primer that I have is the First Light Priming Filter Instant Complexion Refresh. Primers are like very hit and miss with me. Again, this is a very large bottle, lots of product in here. I'll go ahead and just like put it on the back of my hand really quick. Take this off. So I'll go ahead and just like squeeze just a little bit. It'll come out. All right, so it's not wanting to come out. So I'm gonna shake it up. Okay, so I'm afraid that I'm gonna like, is there a lid on here? Like, what is happening? Oh, do I have to like puncture it or something? Hold on one second. Oh, I just broke my bobby pin trying to open this. Oh my gosh, anyone with curly hair, these are so valuable. These are like the most valuable things. Oh my gosh, okay. Well, I guess what's in the past is in the past. I might as well just try to like open this now. So I'm trying to puncture, okay, there we go. Okay, so now I'm gonna shake it up. It feels like it's kind of, like I'm hearing it and it sounds like it's a little loose. I don't really know how I feel about that, and it's purple. That is what it looks like. And I'm gonna go ahead and rub this in. It's very loose. And it does have a scent, so I'm worried that this will probably break me out. But it's very loose and watery. I'm thinking this may be best for people with like dry skin. The more I'm rubbing it in, it does feel very moisturizing. And I do feel, I do like the way it makes the back of my hand feel. Like it makes my hand feel really nice. But this scent is getting me. Maybe I'll give it a try. Just maybe. We'll see. I might be giving it. We'll see. All right, and then last but not least, I have an Alamar Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. I love the Alamar palettes. This retails at $22. I'm gonna go ahead and slice this open. So this is the outside of the palette. Very, very pretty. And, oh, it's a blush. I lied. It's not an eyeshadow palette, it's a blush palette. And that makes me even more excited because I literally use the same, 3 blushes in every video. So there's 3 blush colors in here. And these are the 3 shades. I'll go ahead and swatch them so you know what they look like, just in case you have my similar skin complexion. So this orange one right here, let's see, that one, I don't know, it looks kind of, you can't even really, like you can like barely see it. That is the Seclusion. Next I'll swatch Isla, which is this corally shade in the center here, super corally. The pigments feel really soft also. I love the way that this feels. That is what the middle one looks like. And then for the last one, Toasted. Like, I can't get over how soft these are. Like, oh my gosh, these feel so good. It's like baby powder. All right, so that one seems to be the most pigmented, and it's the Toasted, and it'll focus. That is what it looks like. Not sure, maybe I can like play around with these to see what works and what doesn't work. But anyway, that is all of the products in May's box. I really hope you enjoyed my little quick unboxing for this month. Next month is the Boxy Luxe box, which I will be unboxing and showing you everything that comes in the upgraded version. Again, if you like this, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Join the Terror Squad if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video.